Most people believe passive income requires money, investments, capital, or starting funds. But in reality, many passive income systems begin with something far more accessible, something most people already have: time, skills, consistency, and the ability to create value without upfront capital. The real foundation of passive income is not money. It is leverage. The ability to create something once and earn from it repeatedly over time. This is how people slowly build systems that continue producing results long after the initial effort is completed. One of the most common methods is content creation. Videos, blogs, short-form posts, and social media content all start with effort and often feel slow at the beginning. But over time, they turn into long-term assets, where a single piece of content can continue generating views, attention, and income for months or even years. Another powerful method is digital skills. Writing, editing, design, marketing, and freelancing all begin as time-for-money exchanges. But as skill improves, people move beyond simple tasks and start building systems clients, repeat work, and service structures that generate increasing output with less effort over time. Affiliate systems create another path, by promoting products without holding inventory or spending capital. Individuals can earn commissions simply by connecting audiences with useful solutions. At first, results are small, but consistency changes everything as more content and links accumulate over time. Digital products take this even further. Templates, guides, courses, and tools can be created once using knowledge and effort, then sold repeatedly without additional work. This is where true passive income begins to form, because a single asset can scale far beyond the original time invested in creating it. But the truth most people miss is that none of this happens instantly. Passive income is not immediate freedom. It is a gradual process built step by step through repetition, patience, and long-term consistency, while early results often feel slow and discouraging. Most beginners quit too early because the early stage produces very small outcomes. But consistency is what transforms everything. One piece of content becomes 10, 10 becomes 100. And one skill eventually develops into multiple income streams that reinforce each other. Since there is no initial capital, time becomes the most important resource. It is invested into learning, creating, and improving. Over time, that effort compounds, slowly building momentum until results begin to scale beyond individual effort. The internet has made this process easier than ever, because distribution is now free. You no longer need money to reach people, you need value. But the biggest obstacle is distraction, because most people consume content instead of creating it. Delaying progress without realizing the cost is time itself. Success in this space is not about intelligence, it is about starting earlier and staying longer than most people are willing to. In the beginning, everything feels slow, repetitive, and uncertain, but eventually systems begin to operate on their own. Content keeps running, products keep selling, systems keep working in the background. This is the turning point where effort begins transforming into leverage and long-term income potential becomes real. The core truth is simple. You don't need money to start. You need skills and consistency to build, and you need systems and assets to scale. The goal is not fast money, but creating something that continues to exist and earn even when you are not actively working on it. If you want more insights into online income, digital systems, and wealth-building strategies, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61.